Hi everyone, welcome back to another video. In this video, I'll be taking you through a process on how I make normal frame picture enlargements for my clients. Please do well to subscribe, like this video, comment and also share this video to your loved ones. The name of the board I'm using is called Play Board. Then the name of the gum I'm applying on this board is called Top Bond. After getting your top bond, then you mix it with little water. After mixing it with little water, use your brush to spread the top bond on top of the play board. Then after that, bring your picture, place it on top of the top board. Use your hanky to press the picture to the board. So here I've already placed the picture. So the nail I'm using here is called 1 inch nail. So use your hammer to press the nail to the board, just little by little, so that the pole will not break. So after you have used your nail to press the board, the reason why you will press it is just that so that the board will not pull off. So use your brush to apply the top bond in the back of the frame. Applying your top bond in the back of the frame, then you will bring out your brown paper, place it on top of the back of the frame. Then after placing it, bring out your rag or your hanky to press the brown paper to the frame. Then after pressing it, you can bring out your scissors or your knife to cut out the edges, these brown edges of the frame. Wow, here's the final frame. Is this not beautiful? Zoom this frame well. Is this not beautiful? You can make this frame for your birthday, your marriage, or your anniversary. Please do well to subscribe. See you in my next video. Bye.